Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Wabihi nasta'in ala umri dunya waddin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin Sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'du. Which we respect our lectors Al-Ustadz Imran Rashidi MTH MED. We are from 10 Club. We want to explain about reality therapy. There are two members our team. It's me by myself, Khafifah Huriin, and my friend Muhammad Mahrus Afandi. We took reference from Gerard Corey books and Stephen Palmer books. The title is Theory and Practice of Counseling and Psychotherapy and Counseling dan Psychotherapy. Okay, the next slide is table of contents. There are 8 contents our presentation. The first is figure, the second is key concept, the third is the therapeutic process, the fourth is therapeutic technique and procedures, the fifth is procedure that lead to change, the sixth is WEDP system, The seventh is interaction and step, and the last, reality therapy from a multicultural perspective. Okay, the next slide is figure. William Glasser was born 1925, education background at Case Western Reserve University in Cleveland. He started his career as a psychiatrist at the Ventura School, a prison and school for girls operated by the California Youth Authority. In 1962, Glasser began to present public lectures on reality psychiatry, but few psychiatrists were in the audience, so Glasser changed the name of his system to reality therapy, which became the title of his groundbreaking book, published in 1965. And finally, by 1999, he changed the name to choice theory. Jadi, William Glasser ini adalah seorang tokoh utama dari terapi realitas. Beliau lahir tahun 1925 dan latar belakang pendidikan beliau yakni di universitas, salah satu universitas di Cleveland. Dan beliau memulai karirnya sebagai psikiater di sekolah sebuah penjara dan sekolah untuk anak perempuan yang dioperasikan atau diatur oleh para pemuda California. Dan pada tahun 1962 beliau mencoba untuk memulai memberikan kuliah umum tentang psikiatri realitas, akan tetapi audien minim tertariknya pada teori tersebut dan para audien sangat minim hadir di dalam kuliah umum tersebut. Akhirnya Glasser mengubah nama sistemnya menjadi terapi realitas yang sehingga saat ini menjadi terobosan judul buku yang berhasil diterbitkan pada tahun 1965, dan teori ini berhasil diaplikasikan hingga saat ini. Jadi William Glasser ini merupakan psikiater dari Amerika yang mengembangkan beberapa buku atau menyusun beberapa buku seperti terapi pilihan, konseling realitas, dan lain-lain. Jadi kita perlu tahu terapi realitas ini membantu para klien untuk menghadapi realita yang ada. Di dalam terapi realitas ini terdapat beberapa metode atau cara untuk manusia itu menemukan ketenangan dan kesejahteraan dirinya. Yang kedua adalah Robert E. Woodwarding. He is now the director of the Center for Reality Therapy in Cincinnati and professor emeritus of Xavier University, where he took counselor education for 32 years. After completing his doctorate, Woodwarding attended training sessions representing a wide range of counseling approaches Yet he found reality therapy to be best suited to his interest. Jadi figur yang kedua ini adalah Robert E. Boulding, yang sekarang beliau menjadi Direktur Pusat Terapi di Terapi Realitas di Cincinnati dan menjadi profesor tempat beliau mengajar pendidikan konselor selama kurang lebih 32 tahun. Dan setelah beliau menyelesaikan gelar doktornya, beliau menghadiri sesi pelatihan yang mewakili berbagai pendekatan konseling di dalam pelatihan tersebut. Akan tetapi beliau mempunyai sistem tersendiri, mempunyai minat tersendiri, yakni terapi realitas, dan mempunyai sistem yang bernama WEDB system tersebut. Berbeda dengan William Glasser yang mempunyai 5 kebutuhan dasar manusia. The next slide is introduction. The underlying problem of most clients are caused by their inability to connect, to get close to others, or to have a satisfying or successful relationship with at least one significant person in their lives. Jadi masalah mendasar dari sebagian besar klien ini disebabkan oleh ketidakmampuan mereka untuk terhubung dekat dengan orang lain, untuk memiliki hubungan mencintai atau saling dicintai, dan setidaknya mempunyai satu orang penting dalam hidup mereka. Ini menjadi kepuasan tersendiri bagi manusia. Di dalam teori William Glasser, yakni 5 kebutuhan dasar manusia, terdapat love and belonging yang nanti akan dijelaskan dalam subbab lain. Ini menjadi dasar konsep terapi realita. Sebagai manusia ini adalah makhluk sosial yang saling membutuhkan antara satu dengan yang lainnya. Terkadang orang yang penting dalam hidup kita itu mampu membuat kita berproses menuju kesejahteraan dan kebahagiaan. Next slide is key concept, choice theory, explanation of behavior. Every total behavior is our best attempt to get what we want to satisfy our needs. Total behavior teach that all behavior is made up of 4 inseparable but distinct components: acting, thinking, feeling, and psychology that necessarily accompany all of our action, thought, and feelings. Jadi setiap perilaku total ini adalah upaya terbaik manusia untuk mendapatkan apa yang kita inginkan, untuk memenuhi kebutuhan kita, untuk memenuhi keinginan kita. Dan tingkah laku total ini mengajarkan bahwa semua tingkah laku terdiri dari 4 komponen yang tidak bisa dipisahkan antara satu dengan yang lainnya. Okay, the next slide will be explained my friends Muhammad Mahruz Afandi. Time is yours.
Characteristic of reality therapy. Choice theory teaches that there is no sense talking about what clients can control. What is crucial for clients to understand is this: the only person you can control is yourself. Reality therapists ask clients to consider how effective their choices are, especially as these choices affect their relationship with significant people in their lives. Characteristics of reality therapy. 1. Emphasize choice and responsibility. 2. Reject transference. 3. Keep the therapy in the present. And 4. Avoid focusing on symptoms. And 5. Challenge traditional views of mental illness. The therapeutic process. 1. Therapeutic goals. 2. Therapist functions and role. 3. Client's experience in therapy. And 4. Relationship between therapy and client. The therapeutic process. Therapeutic goals. A primary goal of contemporary reality therapy is to help clients get connected or reconnected with the people they have chosen to put in their quality world. 2. Therapy's function and role. Reality therapy teaches clients how to engage in self-evaluation. The role of the reality therapy is not to make the evaluation for clients, but to challenge clients to examine with what they are doing. And 3. Clients' experience in therapy. Clients are not expected to backtrack into the past or get sidetracked into talking about symptoms. And 4. Relationship between therapy and client. The counselor must have certain personal qualities, including warmth, sincerity, congruence, understanding, acceptance, concern, respect for the client, openness, and the willingness to be challenged by others. Application, therapy techniques, and procedures. Engaging role play with the client. Using humor, meet face-to-face, assist clients in formulating specific plans, act as a teacher, set up a therapeutic situation, get involved with clients in an effort to find a more effective life. Procedures that lead to change. Reality therapy works by assuming that clients are motivated to change. When convinced that the current behavior does not meet the client needs and the client believes that they can choose another behavior that brings the client closer to what they want. In reality therapy, the first step is to ask the client what they want from therapy. The counselor also asks about the choice made by the client and the things that are going on in the client's relationship with the problem. Well, system. This system is used to help clients explore their desires, possible things they can do, self-evaluate, and plan what a client will do. W. Namely 1. Exploring desires. E. Namely self-evaluation. T. Namely direction. And P. Namely planning. Instructions and steps. 1. Explore the client's life and desires. 2. Evaluation stage. And 3. After the self-evaluation, the client is assisted by the counselor to identify their needs and wants. Therapy from a multicultural perspective, strengths and shortcomings from a diversity perspective. The main strength of reality therapy is helping clients to make the change they want. This applies to the planning piece, which is the core of the reality therapy process. Reality therapy cannot ask about things outside the problem because it can cause misunderstandings. Another weakness is that there are clients who do not want to express their problems directly and openly.